So here we have a view from Świętokrzyski Bridge. Today is the 22nd of May 2010. It's approximately 1850, and there we have a view over the centre of Warsaw, and from here we see a large bit of vegetation being taken downstream onto the Baltic Sea. I'm bring that close, let's have a look. There we have it. Pick that up somewhere along the route, and as can be seen, look at this, the water is all over the place. There's a museum, it's some kind of water museum or something. I mean, it'd be very museum-like now because the site apparently is flooded, and I normally take my bicycle to the office, and from here I can see that it has absolutely been flooded. I mean, I couldn't. The cycle track has gone. It's not there at all. And I don't think it was there on Friday either. The highest point of the water was supposed to be yesterday at around 1700, and it's due to stay there until tomorrow, this high. I was rather worried earlier, thought it was going to rain, but it didn't, at least not here. On the other side of the trees, there normally got a bridge, a beach here. I'm standing from this bridge, and beyond that it's dry, but the water, as I've already filmed, it's actually penetrated completely. Another sign of flooding, of course, is the colour of the water. Lots of whirlpools there. Don't know why. Normally isn't this brown colour. I can't remember what colour it is. Centre of the city. On a Saturday night. That's like the commercial centre.